Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start with a clean canvas. In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum properly. First, gently cleanse your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. Follow up with a mild toner to prepare your skin, ensuring it's balanced and ready for treatment. Pat your face completely dry. This step is crucial for optimal serum absorption. Now for the star of the show. Dispense about 3 to 5 drops of your vitamin C serum onto your fingertips. Gently press and pat the serum evenly across your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. Don't rub too vigorously. A light pressing motion helps with absorption. Give it a minute or two to fully soak in before moving on. Once your serum has absorbed, it's time to lock in that goodness. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to hydrate and nourish your skin. This creates a protective barrier. The most important final step is applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin from UV damage and helps the vitamin C work its magic effectively. For the best results, store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. Make it a daily habit, ideally in your morning routine, to maximize its antioxidant benefits throughout the day. Remember, consistency is vital for seeing improvements in skin tone and texture. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.